Hey everybody, it's Mara Allard of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and it's Friday, so it's Biogeometry Friday. And I thought we were going to go back and talk about the modified terrain ruler and some other things, fun things we can do with it, because a lot of you have reached out to me and asked for a copy. So I'm going to show you a few more things that we can do on it that I think you'll find interesting. One thing I want to talk about is if you're going to test yourself on the ruler, you can put a picture of yourself in one of the circles, or you can make what's called a paper witness. All you need is a little white square of paper. You're going to rub it on your forehead and get the oils of your forehead on there. Fine if there's makeup, ladies. And that's what you call a paper witness. After you're done with the witness, when you're done working with it, you either want to fold it in graph paper to protected witness it, put the witness in witness protection, or burn it. That's the theory, and that's what I was taught. Again, I'm a student, I'm not a teacher. And so let me just put my screen down. This is and I've already rubbed this on my forehead. This is my energy, my personal wavelength energy. I always flip it over to make sure we have the same. And then this is also my personal wavelength energy. So it shouldn't stop when you move over from one to another, if you have it done correctly. Okay, so here's a cool thing to do. So there's my witness. And what if you wanted to know if you were connected to a star or a constellation in the sky? You could take a bunch of them and put them over the other spot. So we've got right here, we have Orion's belt, constellation of Scorpio, and the sun. And then you have to clear your mind and focus on the two objects. So I have no connection to the stars in the Orion belt. No resonance. Constellation of Scorpio. Again, focus my attention on my witness and the constellation of Scorpio, all the while talking to you. And I have a 25% resonance to the constellation of Scorpio. Interesting, my moon is in Scorpio. The sun. Looks like a 50% resonance to the sun. The star Sirius is next. This is going to be a 50% resonance. Planet Jupiter. (75%). And the full moon, which I have 100% resonance to the moon. Does not surprise me, as I am a Cancer rising, which is ruled by the moon. Okay, so that would be very cool. I now know that I am in 100% resonance to the moon. I might want to connect to the moon, spend some time looking at the moon. This is the full moon when it is. You can also do this for power spots around the world. I have a bunch here. I just know myself that I'm connected to this one. Oops, I just broke my string. Let's hold it together. But you can go on, if you need power spots, or just email me. I can send you. So I'm 100% connected to that power spot. But they have all different power spots, pyramids, Stonehenge. So I can email those to you. I also have the constellations that I just showed you. Then here's another idea how to use this. You could use this with supplements to see. So this is a calcium supplement. This is a multivitamin that contains calcium. If I want to know how much calcium is in this multivitamin, I can put my attention on the two of them. And it looks like 5%, 3%, right? A little, it's just off the 0%. It's like I'd say 5%. So 5% of this calcium is contained in this multivitamin. One of you followers encouraged me to make soap. It's obviously I've charged it with BG3, infused with crystals. So here's the soap I created. Here are the crystal chips that I ground down to powder form. There's also essential oils in there that are all charged with BG3. Actually, I used this the other day. Oh, the energy is it's really great. I have a few if you actually want some. Okay, but they're not in my shop, so you'd have to email me separately. But they are, and they're bergamot, lemon, and peppermint. They have a very uplifting energy. They're charged with BG3, and then these crystals are ground into powder and put in the soaps. Okay, so how much of these crystals are contained in the soap? That's the answer question I have. I would say this is like 15%. So 15% of this soap is made up of these crystals. That's pretty cool thing you can do. So you can test this. I just wanted to show you different ways so you can start thinking about how you can use this. You can use it for precious metals and stones. It's really a great tool to use to test. Again, it's not medicine. It doesn't cure anything, but it is really a great tool to play with. So have a great day, and I'll see you next week.